charged up when it came out of the package. I swept the other day, so the floor wasn't as gross as it could be. Oh my gosh, is it stuck already? No, look at it go. It's a lot of fun to watch. Did I mention it was charged up when I took it out of the package? So it was ready to go? Yeah. I've moved some things around in my place so it can do its work. Kind of has to baby-proof or vacuum-proof the place first. You know, I've moved some things away from walls so that way it could get near the edges of the walls. I also, you know, put some chairs in the space between different areas of the condo so it doesn't go there. I want it to focus on my living room, dining area. Yeah. This is the package that it came in. Close that up now. And there it goes. So I opened up my couch a little bit. I've got this pretty cool couch where you can make the you know, your feet go up. I guess it's called a recliner couch, right? Ooh, that made noise over there. Yeah, so I put that up, and it did go underneath earlier. If the leg part of my sofa isn't up, the space between the floor and the bottom of the couch isn't big enough for this to go under. And I kind of want it to go under because I know there are a lot of dust bunnies there. So I can actually, yeah. Oh, my Crocs sound embarrassing. Yeah, where'd it go? There it is. It's like almost like having a little pet. It's kind of cute. I paid $249 for this. I just checked my bill, my credit card statement. $249. Got it on Amazon. It's a Ecovacs. It's upside down. ECOVACS Robotic vacuum. It's called the DEEBOT. DEEBOT N79S. Did a lot of research on this. I thought about getting the Roomba 880 to pick up my long hair because I seem to be shedding a lot these days, and it makes a mess on my floor. And the Roomba 880 is like the only vacuum I saw, only robotic vacuum that I saw that can handle long hair. They say that it doesn't have the brush rollers, but you still have to untangle it from something. So I decided not to get it because it was like a $700, $800 vacuum, and I didn't really want to spend that much if I still had to do work. So with this, there really isn't much work that I'm going to have to do other than empty it out the tray with all of the debris. But that would be done when I get home from work. From what I understand, and I need to double check this again, it's got a 4-hour or 6-hour battery life, which is phenomenal. I mean, my place is small, and I'm going to do only one room at a time. I will probably have this running every day. So I'll do my living room one day, and then my room and the bathroom, which are pretty small areas. My bed takes up a lot of the area. I'll probably get some sort of a barrier between the bottom of my bed and the floor, so it doesn't get so dusty underneath. Like a, what do they call, dust ruffle or something. I don't have one of those yet. And then my bathroom it's not huge. So yeah, and then Elliot's room, it can do Elliot's room one day too. Just lock it in whatever rooms I want to confine it to, rather than have it go all over. Oh, it just got a big piece. Now get the edges. So there's a lot of dust and debris here. I wanted to get this up, so go, you can do it. I wanted it to go under my desk too. Let's see if it hits the edges here. Come on. There it goes. Come on. Oh, almost. Yeah, pretty interesting. My child's going to be very happy. I've talked about this for about 2 years now. I really wanted to get one. And I did. I figured my quality of life is worth $249. $49. Yeah, I look at my place sometimes on weekends and I'm just miserable thinking about all the work I have to do to keep it, you know, clean and maintained. And I think I do want to have people over. Anyway, I really wanted to get those side walls. We'll see what happens. And over and out for now.